Hey guys, so I have two unboxings today, and I'll give you my opinion because I'm an asshole. I have ice cream, ice cream, and I have February Boxycharm. I think it's February, and I think this might be February. I don't know. Let's just get in. I've already messed with the stuff because, well, I'm never going to be one of them kind of persons that can wait. I'm very impatient. I get only the base box unboxing because, well, it's been Suckage City. Now, the nice thing about this box is they actually sent me a $25 coupon because I have two duplicates. So, yay, me. This is Game Changer. Celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Which I think was February. I don't know. I can't get anything right. Daylight savings time has knocked me on my ass once again. Let's get into the good. So the first thing I got here is the Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Blush Palette for $39. Shit. I can't read. Don't mind my hair because it's just deciding to be a lot of hair today. $39. And she looks like this. These, I've already used it. They're good. They're good, but I really don't expect less than that from them. The other new thing I got was the Earth Harbor. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the hell's going on? What's happening, man? Oh, well. I know you guys aren't here for my beauty. If you are, you're sick. Okay, so I have got the Earth Harbor's Natural Nymph Nectar Super Fruit Radiance Balm. This is $38. This is fan-freaking-tastic. I am dry as the Sahara Desert. So after my serums, I put this on. It's kind of weird because it's kind of a little gritty. And I love Earth Harbors. God, they just do shit right. You know, she's been loved. She's been real loved. Now, another new thing that I got was this is Like Beauty Makeup Melt for $24. This sucks ass, okay? This like burnt the freaking skin off my face. Yeah. No, it's no. No. Some people it may work for, they may love it. I'm not one of them peoples. A repeat product is the Coconut and Fig Hair Mask by Style Dry for $16.95. I haven't tried the other one yet, so I don't know what I think about this. And the last duplicated product is Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask for $69. Okay, this is, I don't know why it's $69. This is the duplicate one. There's nothing, I didn't think it was that great. But, you know, these are my opinions, and if you don't like them, it is what it is, baby. Let's get into the Eyescream beauty box. And, of course, I've been in this one, too. I can't remember what month it is. You get a little card here. No, this is February, so I'll still be getting the March. And I'm getting a mystery box from them as well. There's a lot of things that were kind of a miss for me, but again, everyone's different, so always take these with a grain of salt. So the first thing is the Pure Cosmetic Fiber Lash Mascara. That's a big no for me, sir. I had them little freaking hairs all over the place, and I don't know. This is just with regular mascara. I don't have that big of an issue with eyelashes. You know, I just slap on whatever mascara there is. Oh God, this is horrible. So no, that's a big no. And then we have the baking soda. No, vodka soda gel eyeliner from Basic. No, I can't say a damn thing right. Basic Beauty Vodka Lip Kit for $25. Now, let me show you what you get on a lip pencil and a matte lipstick. It looks scary, but it's really not. The lip pencil is great. It feels really great on your lips. The lip stick, it made me feel like the Sahara Desert. That's what those two look like together. The lipstick I'm not crazy for, but I really do like the lip liner. Next we have I think I got the wrong thing. I was supposed to get a Hikari Luxe eye crayon, and I got this. So Susan, the hell is this thing? Getting old sucks, don't get do. Pore camouflaging primer. I didn't try this, so I don't know. I don't know. Will it camouflage? Will it not? I don't know. I thought this was a freaking eye primer. Pore camouflaging primer. It's little. I got a lot of pores, so I guess I'm gonna try that. I guess I should probably put all the stuff that I'm keeping over here, because oh, this is what the pure thing looks like too. It comes with two things. Next I have Miss Eloise, and this is Hollywood Glow Pressed Highlighter for $47. So I tried and I tried and I tried. I can't get no. That too. I haven't been getting no nothing. So here's a highlighter and it looks gorgeous, but it doesn't want to show up on my skin. Like maybe if I just use my finger. Like it just doesn't want to. Doesn't want to show up on my skin, but it looks so pretty. It's so pretty. But my skin's like, no, 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 no. And last but not least, I have Take Me to Paris. This is from Mauve Cosmetics. This retails for $23. Mother humper. And this is what she looks like. There's a mirror if you care. And yes, there's cats all around me getting invaded. This is a palette. Now, this palette is so nice. It is really nice. I was impressed. Not really my my taste on the colors. They're just really kind of light. Cat in a box. What would life be without a cat in a box? I'm just trying to get some of these. Oh, I missed a little green with that one. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. I gotta put my thumb in this one. So here is all the swatches of that palette. These are really good. I don't know how often I'm going to use it. because it's not like singing to me, but I did like it. I did enjoy it. So the Boxycharm box is now what, $28, 27 something. This box is 25. And quite frankly, there are hits and misses in both. So I'm not mad. I'm not mad. But I'm going to be getting a couple extra things. And I made, of course, in Ulta. Fucking Ulta. I made a Ulta purchase, and I'm waiting for the second box. Because I'm a loser, baby. Yeah. So, when I get that, I will let you know. I'll do a video and show you what I got. I mean, it's not that exciting. I'm kind of on this mission of looking for a perfect primer. No, not a primer. Well, that too. A perfect foundation that works with me, you know. So I ordered a couple ones that I wanted to try. And I'm waiting for that other box today because I'm going to need it, baby. So yeah, that's it. That's all the shit I got. Happy Valentine's Day. I need to wash my hands because I for sure will be wiping my face all the freaking time because that's how I roll. And here's Kevin. Kevin! Old crackhead Kevin. Kev. Hi, baby. What you doing? I scared the other kids away. Yeah, my bed's messy. Let's get real, okay? I'm not one of them people who make the bed. I throw the blanket back up on top, but no. Hopefully soon I'll be getting laid, so it'll just be messy again. It's been a long time, and I think I'm gonna maybe just start doing some chats because I got some candygrams, aka the misadventures of me dating. I think you guys will like it. So I love you guys so much. Wash your hands, wash your ass. Ooh, my sparkly. Have a great day.